Hi YouTube, this is a review of a very nifty little gadget called the Leatherman Squirt P4. Check it out. This is made by Leatherman, so it's very high quality. It's all stainless steel except for the handle scales are anodized aluminum. You can get them in red, blue, I think there's a pink one. Yeah, anodized aluminum scales. There are two different versions of the squirt. The P4 has pliers. That's the one I got. There's also an S4 that has scissors. The pliers are, at first I thought that was a weird shape for pliers, but they're actually very useful. They're very strong. They're kind of narrow for getting into tight places. There's a wire cutter. The point is not that fine of a, it's not really needle nose, I wouldn't say, but it'll get into a lot of tight places. Very well designed pliers. One really cool feature of this tool is you can get to all the other tools without opening it. If you don't need the pliers, you can open all the other tools. There's a knife, leather punch, awl, very fine screwdriver. On this side there's a metal file, medium-sized flathead screwdriver blade with a bottle opener, and a flat Phillips screwdriver. It's not ideal for Phillips screws, but it will work. It's not a heavy-duty tool. It's not meant for really tight screws. But in a pinch, you have options. Lots of tools in a handy pocket-sized package. Quick review or comparison of the Squirt P4 and the Leatherman Micra. The Micra is all stainless steel. It doesn't have anodized aluminum scales. I don't know about you, but I'm a little concerned about this getting scratched and the color wearing off. I don't know why they put the aluminum scales on it. This one's all stainless steel. You don't have to worry about that. With the Micra, you do have to open it. It's got scissors. You have to open it to get to the tools. They're all inside, which makes a nice neat package with no rough edges. But you do have the inconvenience of having to open it to get to something. The Micra is 2.5 inches long. The Squirt is only 2 1/4, so it's a little bit smaller. The Micra weighs 1.7 ounces. The Squirt is 1.9 ounces. Very little difference. The Micra is 3/8 of an inch thick. The Squirt is 1/2 inch, slightly thicker. But there you go. Pocket-sized multi-tools. I'm going to carry the Squirt as part of my EDC. Carry it for a while and see how it does. So far I'm impressed. Thank you for watching. Peace out.